relation is linking activities. A schedule without links means nothing. Also, we have 4 relation types, which we cover fully later. Linking tasks in Microsoft Project. For linking the activities in the predecessors column, type the activity number. For example, according to our Excel file, design is linked to get inspired. Get inspired number is 2. That's why in front of the design in the predecessors column, I type 2. When I enter 2 in Microsoft Project, in Gantt chart, a line appears. As you see, these 2 tasks are linked together. Even you can detect it from the Gantt chart. In the Excel file, we have FS, which means finish to start, which means when Get Inspired finishes, design task starts, and this is one of the relation types. We can insert FS or not, because as default in Microsoft Project, relation type is FS. I'm not gonna insert it. In the Excel file, wall is SS, and it is linked to the foundation. So, in wall's predecessor, I type foundation number. It is 6. They are linked, but it is SS, which means start to start. These 2 tasks should start together. If I don't insert SS here, the program consumes it as FS, so I need to insert SS. In predecessors column, I type SS in front of 6. And then press on Enter from the keyboard. As you see from Gantt chart, it is linked like SS. I have inserted 2 relations of tasks. The rest is your homework. There are other ways to insert relations, but let me introduce you in detail in upcoming lessons.